Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I would like to clarify some of the doubts raised by our subscribers, viewers and students, friends. These are regarding inter exams and English subject doubts. Okay, so many students are raising a doubt, is attendance mandatory in TS and AP for inter exams? So in TS it is not mandatory, in AP it is required, attendance is mandatory only in AP, and principal signature is required on hall ticket, downloaded hall ticket it is not required, principal signature is not required. And Nasim Sheikh, she asked the question, my son hall ticket number second language is wrongly printed, actually it is Sanskrit and by mistake it is Hindi is printed, so what should we do? So immediately you have to you have to consult your respective principal concerned. You have to consult and you have to bring to their notice. Okay, they will rectify, they will make a change. You have to do it very urgently. Okay, thank you. Next, KGF deadbolt. Okay, doubt is, can we appear for exam without attendance? Yes, attendance is not required. Next, P. Srinu, to download the hall ticket, college permission is needed? No, it is not needed. It is not required. Next, make a view. Important idioms, second year important idioms, please upload. Okay, I will do it. Next, Sheikh Adil Ali, inter hall tickets. The status of inter hall tickets. Inter hall tickets, they are available both offline and online. They are available. Okay. Sheikh Ubaidullah, second year English single answers, please upload. Okay, already I have uploaded and some of the questions I have to upload. Okay, I will do it. Fatima Fahad, gunshot questions in section B and C. Second year already I have done. First year, only first year I will do. Okay, I have to do it. I will do it definitely. Next, Guda Aditya, inter scholarship amount. I will cross check. So in the month of May or June we are expecting. Okay. Next, Dhanalakshmi G, CV's textbook lo unnai, prepare avala. So 7 types unnavi, edi prepare avali. Any type you can prepare. Okay. Textbook lo unna questions matrame prepare avandi. Only textbook lo unna questions matrame chuskondi. Next, Rajesh Reddy, my principal is not giving hall ticket. So what is the reason? Which college? Whether you are in TS or AP, please give your full details. Next, MD Sufyan Ahmad, inter first year grammar, question number 10. So remaining sets please upload. Okay. So 1 to 7 some task I have uploaded. Remaining 10 tasks are there. I have to upload. Okay. I will do that. Next, Naomi Reddy, ethics environment lo number wrong rasyanu. What will happen? Nothing will happen. Don't worry about it. Okay. Sikandar Mahi, cover letter must in CV. CV lo cover letter mandatory. Many students are asking. It is not mandatory. Without cover letter also, my students, they have been scoring 98, 97, 96 successfully for the past many years. That's why cover letter is not required. If time is there, then only you can write. Otherwise, you can avoid. It is optional. It is not compulsory. Okay. Next, unknown. EVS English practical రాయకపోతే ఏమవుతుంది? మీకు మెమో రాదు. సప్లిమెంటరీ నెక్స్ట్ సమ్మర్లో మీకు సప్లిమెంటరీ ఉంటుంది. సప్లిమెంటరీ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్, సప్లిమెంటరీ రాయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. తెలుగు మూవీ క్లిప్స్, మై కాలేజ్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ అటెండెన్స్ ఫీ. దెర్ ఇస్ నో సచ్ టర్మ్ లైక్ అటెండెన్స్ ఫీ. అటెండెన్స్ ఫీ అనే అసలు వర్డ్ ఏమీ ఉండదు. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇల్లీగల్ అగెన్స్ట్ ద బోర్డ్ రూల్స్. మీరు బోర్డుకి కంప్లైంట్ చేయవచ్చు. ఓకే. Can we use color pencils in the exam? Yeah, you can use except green and red. Remaining colors, any color you can use, sketch pens, ball pens, you can use gel. Okay. Next, Isma Hadiya, second year annotations, single answers we are uploading. Okay, we are uploading single answers. Vinay Sunny, hall ticket lo principal signature mandatory? It is not mandatory. Google user, can we start with section B? Yeah, section B, then C, last A also you can follow. Any order, B, C, A order you can follow better. Okay. MD Naeem, can we write our name in letter? Generally, board rule is we should not write our name. We should not reveal our name in letter writing. Receiver's name we have to write, but our sender's name we don't write. X, Y, Z, A, B, C you write. Okay. In CV you have to write, but write somebody else's name, other's name you write. Don't write your name in CV also. T. Ganesh, if handwriting is not good, will they cut marks? Will they deduct marks? Actually, it should be legible. So it is need not be like calligraphy. It should be legible. It should be clearly understood. Then marks will be awarded as per according to the content. Okay, if it is relevant, content is good, presentation is good, then full marks will be awarded. So these handwriting, it won't affect. But if it is illegible, if the evaluation is unable to understand your answer content, then definitely they will deduct the marks. Okay, please see that it is very legible. Okay, next English grammar textbook lonche vastaya. English grammar textbook lonche vastaya. Yes, మొత్తం ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. సో ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ అయినా సెకండ్ ఇయర్ అయినా ఏదైనా సరే మీకు గ్రామర్లోంచే వస్తాయి, టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లోంచే వస్తాయి. అన్సీన్ ఏది రాదు. కాంప్రహెన్షన్ ఎవ్రీ క్వశ్చన్ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఓన్లీ. ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్, బోత్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ అండ్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్, everything from your textbook only. Okay, so these are the doubts, some of the doubts raised by our students, our subscribers, viewers. Okay, next video definitely I will take up some of the doubts. Please keep sending. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for your support. I request all of you to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.